doing? Hey, so I started researching how I could use the northern lights to make power. That led me to the solar wind, which is much more powerful. People have ideas for collecting solar wind power, but don't know how to get it off. I remembered seeing a story about Tesla and sending power through Earth, so I looked that up, figured out how to make the solar wind collector to work with Tesla's idea and get enough energy to power all of Earth. Here, I'll show you. Come on, let's go. Okay, so my idea is to power all of Earth. So the way it would work is to collect the energy. I would use the Dyson Airep satellite. The way the Dyson Airep satellite works is there's a coil, a long metal coil pointed at the sun, which snags the electrons from the solar wind, which is more than enough energy to power all of Earth 100 billion times over. The only problem is getting the energy down to Earth. So now we have power cubed up in a satellite in space. So the way to get the power down from the satellite to Earth is a thing called an oscillator that Nikola Tesla made. So there's coils inside the oscillator, and it sends power from the oscillator on the satellite down to the receiver oscillator down on Earth. The way the oscillator works is there are coils in it, and it will send using a magnetic field. The same way an opera singer would use to break a glass, except instead of breaking the glass, it sends power. And now, with the power on Earth, you just connect cables to it, and then you're done. And you've got power everywhere. So here's the satellite. There's a coil of copper wire here, pointed at the sun, and it's capturing the electrons from the solar wind. Up here is it's something Nikola Tesla made called an oscillator, made for wireless energy changes. So this is collecting more than enough energy for all of Earth. It just needs to get down to Earth. So it goes into this, which by then it's already converted into actual energy, and that puts it down to an oscillator on like the highest mountain, because if someone lives near it, it seems like an earthquake is happening. And then there's wires connected to that, which is connected to everything else. This is a town, and this is Earth. Thank you all for watching my presentation for a better tomorrow. I hope you all stay safe, and hopefully our ideas will help with a better future. Bye.